Introducing Ditty Bird Potty Time Sounds. When the time comes for your little one to start potty training, make it a super fun experience and a fun-filled adventure with Ditty Bird's Potty Time Sounds book. With its cheerful sounds and catchy toot song,
makes a sound he can toot.
This book turns the bathroom and body sounds into a place of excitement and laughter, helping children feel confident and empowered as they master this important milestone. A must-have for your little one's bookshelf.